Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2021 Ford Transit or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your Transit. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2021 Ford Transit engine compartment fuse box houses fuses and relays critical for functions such as the engine, cooling fan, and powertrain control. It is conveniently located under the hood, near the driver's side for easy access. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2021 Ford Transit passenger compartment fuse box manages electrical components like the interior lighting, power windows, and infotainment system. It is located behind the glove box or under the dashboard, providing access to cabin-related fuses. Body control module. The 2021 Ford Transit body control module BCM fuse box controls key electrical functions like power locks, exterior lighting, and windshield wipers. Located in the cabin, often under the dashboard, it manages body-related systems. Driver compartment fuse box. The 2021 Ford Transit driver compartment fuse box handles electrical components such as the instrument panel, heated seats, and driver assist features. It provides easy access to driver-related fuses, located under the dashboard or near the steering column. A fuse diagram on the cover helps identify their functions. Pre-fuse box. The 2021 Ford Transit pre-fuse box is located near the vehicle's battery, typically under the driver's seat. It protects high-current circuits for the alternator, starter, and battery. A diagram on the cover helps identify specific fuses and their amperage ratings.
Type of fuses. Blade of fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse, A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.